Okay, I'm William Kennebrew, and I am owner of Montgomery Sewing and Vacuum Repair Center at 943 South Court Street here in Montgomery, Alabama. And our phone number is 334-262-3493. And you can also reach us on fax by 334-262-3414. We've been in business here about 18 years. However, the business has been here since 1953, and we just took it over about 18 years ago. And we do all service on vacuums and sewing machines. So any vacuums and sewing machine problem that you may have, you can bring it to us and we'll take care of it for you. Thank you. We also sell new and used sewing machines and vacuum cleaners. So we are a sale and service operation.